you will get some access to some tapes, mostly residential, not the commercial stuff, but the residential stuff that you can take a look at, make some offers on, because we're constantly uploading lists to there that you can cherry pick and either make bids directly through me or directly to the seller on those. So lots of great stuff going on, ladies and gentlemen. I can't tell you how excited. This is probably the third or fourth time I said this on this podcast episode, but there's opportunity if you will just get off your ass and start taking action. If you're struggling to get deals closed, it's because of two things. You're not having any momentum. You're not doing any activity. Okay. When I look at what these little short videos of 1 minute videos of me featuring assets that are going to the foreclosure auction, or specific asset classes or case studies or deals that we're offering, and the amount of activity we're getting that off of by taking that 1 minute video and uploading it to TikTok and YouTube and Instagram and all that stuff, this is gold. This is the magic wand that you're looking for. It's in your hand. Okay. And that's when I say, if I was a realtor, first thing I'd be doing is jumping on doing a short little video. Hey, here's a deal in San Antonio. If you're looking for distressed commercial real estate, if you're looking for distressed apartments in San Antonio, I want to be your guy or gal. That's what I would be doing. I am not a realtor, okay, but I have stayed at a Holiday Inn Express before. My ex-wife was a realtor. I partnered with realtors. Some of my best friends are some of the nicest realtors out there that you know. But there's never been more opportunity. If you're sitting out there waiting for somebody to call you up on a referral basis, now is the time to start taking action, to getting some shit done and getting some deals, distressed assets, literally making hay now till the end of the year through next year. There's going to be so much wealth created amount of distressed stuff out there. All you got to do is roll up your sleeves and get to work. Yes, it's investment at time. It's investment maybe $300 or whatever like that for your stuff. If you don't like the commercial, dive into the foreclosures. Pay the $85 a month to get a foreclosure list. Okay, but get up, get rock and roll, and get ready to roll out the carpet for you, because basically they are writing blank checks. If you want to make 6 figures in the next 6 months, you can. If you want to make 7 figures in the next 18 months, you can, if you really put it to work. And I feel good. I feel good. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Like I knew that I would now. Da-na-na-na-na. Anyway, this goes back. This makes me think back to February of 2020 when the whole COVID shutdown happened. I went in and said there's $50 billion lost in the commercial markets at that point. Well, guess what? That's all been rolling in now, right, ladies and gentlemen? It's time to make hay and get rock and rolling and carve up your piece of the pie. Who cares who the election is? That's not going to stop you from making money. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't.